What is up, guys? It is Alien, and today I'm going to show you how to use white noise, another EDM producer's dream. So, you're going to go to your instruments right there. Operator is my favorite. I think you can use the other ones for it too, but I just like operator. And you go down here and you select your wave, and you want white noise today. So, and that is your basic white noise sound to be added in for a fill-in effect, for any drop or build-up. You can adjust it using these oscillators here. But that's more technical stuff, and that'll push me past the 30-second mark. So that's how you use white noise in 30 seconds.